Hey guys, it's Miss Crow here. I'm just going to talk you through our assignment, our writing assignment for this week, just so you have a little more information. So first we're going to start off with this prompt, and this week we're going to be writing persuasive. So persuasive means to convince someone of something and to give reasons and ideas that support what you're trying to get someone to do or to say or whatever the case may be. So the prompt this week is to write about your favorite plate, meaning food. What is your favorite plate of food? And try to convince someone to like it. That means you're going to and then explain what makes this food the best and why they should try it. So that is your prompt. So now we're going to go over what your graphic organizer should look like. I'm going to draw with my pen. So we can still use our 4-square graphic organizer. And this first one is going to be pretty much the same as our expository. This is where you're going to write your claim. So a claim is what you want someone to do. So I can say everyone should eat my mom's fried chicken. And then you're going to give your 2 reasons because we still have these 2 boxes, so you still have to have 2 reasons. So everyone should eat my mom's fried chicken because, and then your 2 reasons, blank and blank. Everyone should eat my mom's fried chicken because it is tasty and homemade. Okay, so then these 2 boxes, this one and this one, these are going to be, you're going to explain your 2 reasons and give ideas that support your reasons. So this is reason number 1. And this is going to be, I said it's tasty. So my first sentence should be what the paragraph is going to be about. So my, actually I'm going to do fried chicken is tasty. And then I'm going to give three sentences that support why it's tasty. Is it the crispy skin? Is it the juicy chicken? Is it the seasoning that your mom puts on it? Whatever the case may be. So, and then I said my other one is because it's homemade. Oh. So this is going to be your reason number 2. And I said it's homemade, so I can say my mom makes the chicken from scratch. That just means it's homemade. And so then I would give, remember, your 3 sentences, 3 details that support how it's homemade. You can tell how your mom does it, whatever the case may be. And then this last box is still going to be our conclusion. And remember, we just restate our central idea and maybe give a truism. So remember, 1 is restate central idea. Remember, our central idea is this sentence up here. And then, so really you're just telling them what you want them to do again. Everyone should eat my mom's fried chicken. Don't say the exact same thing. Try to change it up a little bit because we don't want to be repetitive. And then a truism, which is a quote that is true for most people, right? Remember, this week, you don't have to do the whole writing project in one day. That's not the point. We want to make sure we're going through this slowly and that students are going through the entire writing process. Brainstorming your ideas. Planning. This is our plan. This 4 square is our plan. Revising, that means you're checking for if you need to add details, remove details, move details around, um, or I forgot arms. Add, remove, move, and substitute if you need to substitute details. And then they're editing. So the editing side is checking for capitalization, usage, punctuation, and spelling. So I really want y'all to take it slow. Do not do it all in one day because good writers are always rewriting. Okay, if you have any questions, just comment below and I'll try to my best to answer them as soon as possible. Have a good week and I hope to see y'all this Friday at Packet Pickup.